2025 is the year of glass skin, and I'm making it happen. No more dullness, no more uneven texture, just smooth, glowy, poreless skin. I'm sharing my step-by-step routine, must-have products, and habits that I'm sticking to for that flawless K-beauty inspired glow. So let's get into it. You ever look at somebody's skin and be like, oh, your skin's so smooth? Same, girl, same. Glass skin can't just be for the lucky few. Me want my skin to look smooth and nice too. But with the right routine, a little bit of consistency, and some patience, all of we can achieve that flawless, poreless skin. In this video, I'm going to go step by step and show you how I'm going to achieve that look in 2025. So let's get into it. So the first rule to glass skin, everybody said this, is hydration. Like if your skin dry and cakey, it will never be glowy and nice and supple and beautiful. So definitely hydration. Don't judge me, I'm a juice girly. I love my juice, but this year I'm definitely doubling down on my water intake, and also like doubling down on products that have like hyaluronic acid in it. And I'm gonna show you what I use with hyaluronic acid, but first I do have to use my acne treating toner, because I do have like some texture and some pimples what I definitely want to go away. So I'm gonna start with my treatment for my acne. So if you watch my previous videos, you know this is my favorite cleanser. Don't kill me if I'm not pronouncing something right, but niacinamide in there. I already washed my face with it and it give me that African black soap feel. That's how I love to wash my face. Take away all those like dirt and whatever they from my face. This is what I use. So right after my toner, I am going to go in with my Glow Deep Serum. I got this from the TikTok shop and it definitely works. Like, I don't know if you guys see the difference, but from the last video, I feel like my pimples are all like pretty much gone. Like, what do you guys think? So glass skin has no pimples, no rough patches, no like big pores or anything like that. So we definitely have to go in with like a pore tightener or a AHA or a BHA to gently exfoliate and make sure that your skin just have that glowy, smooth look with no pimples. So you definitely have to go in with AHA or a BHA pore tightener. The Glow Recipe products, they're really good. Like, they're really working for my skin. So for me personally, I definitely want to put on like the AHA and the BHA products to kind of allow my skin to absorb the other products that I'm going to put on it. So the next product that I usually use is my Anua niacinamide, the 10%, and the TXA 4% serum. This good for your hyperpigmentation. Like, I feel like mine is going away, to be honest with you. Right here is usually darker, and I did have like a really big dark spot right here because I picked a pimple, and like I have a lot of dark spots on my forehead and on my cheeks and stuff, and they're actually fading. So definitely try this if you can. It's from the TikTok shop and it was so cheap. I don't remember how much exactly I paid for it, but it was really affordable on the TikTok shop. For me, like normally, like when I'm doing my skincare, I always like put on my lip balm before I put on my moisturizer. I don't know why, don't ask me. It just make me feel a little bit better, because even like filming right now, like you guys are looking at my dry cracky lips, like I'm sure no one see that. So yeah, so I'm putting on some lip balm, and then I'm gonna put on a more hydrating lip balm later. It have a smell and it just, I don't know, it's just nice. Now, because we're using products that are actually like a little bit harsh when it comes to like exfoliants and stuff like that, you definitely want to repair your skin barrier. I'm using niacinamide dew drops. The entire Glow Recipe line is very gentle and nice. I really love it. So I'm actually using the Glow drops to just kind of repair my skin barrier, and this is definitely my nighttime routine because I wouldn't do all of this in the morning. Okay, my eyes, I don't feel like I have dark circles that bad around my eyes, but I do have to use an eye cream. So I do use the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright Eye Gel, and I feel like it helps my eyes to not feel dry, and because when I'm touching my eyes right now, I'm not putting any of the products on my eyes, so I do have to add some type of eye cream. So this is the one I'm using. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Use some of that and put on the next side, because you don't need much of this. This one you don't need much, literally. A little under your eye, a little above, and that's it. I put too much, man. Lord Jesus. See, when you try record, my very favorite, this is my favorite moisturizer, Glow Recipe plump hyaluronic cream. It's so, I don't know, it's so soothing and nice, and it's very lightweight. It's not like overpowering. It's just so hydrating, and it keeps your skin hydrated all day. Sunscreen is an absolute must. I'm Jamaican, and usually in Jamaica I didn't know about sunscreen. We were walking around in just the bare sun and we didn't have any problems, so I don't even understand why I need sunscreen right now. But I realized that the more I use sunscreen, the more my hyperpigmentation go away. So I'm gonna be using it, and I use the Black Girl sunscreen in kids because it does have the SPF 50 in it. And I realized that the other Black Girl sunscreen, there's another one that have like 30, and there's another one that have 50, but I don't know, it doesn't say no white cast on it, and I don't really want to take the chance, so I'm using the one in kids. I was reading the reviews, and this lady was like, oh, it definitely leaves a bit of a white cast on my kids. And I'm just like, what white cast, miss? What white cast are you talking about? This leaves no white cast. Absolutely no white cast, okay? Look at this. Glowy. Last but certainly not least, I'm definitely using my Colourpop Glossy Lip Balm. This smell like watermelon itself. Wanna see that glow away, girl? I love this. I got it from Target, guys, and this worth every bit of my $10. Now definitely don't think you're gonna do all of this and then eat junk food all day, girl. Like, eat things that are going to be beneficial to your skin. Take your vitamins. Listen, I know I probably look like 5 years old, but I'm 29, and I definitely need to top up on my vitamin. Them keep on top of it, because listen, them say black don't crack, but it's the people that will actually take care of them skin don't crack. Listen to me and listen to me good. It's the people them, the black girls, them will take care of them skin, for them black don't crack. So me go follow in after them footsteps and take care of my skin. So I'm definitely focusing on a lot of like self-care this year, and one of them is definitely taking care of my skin, making sure that I eat the right things. And if you're anything like me, I don't sleep at night time, girl. I don't sleep at night time. I will get 6 hours of sleep, but sleep is very important. Stress management is very important. Have little faith. The anxiety, depression, all of them something there is fear-based, girl, and you definitely do want to give yourself some grace. Have little faith, because when was the last time God let you down, girl? When was the last time God let you down? Because every time when somebody asks me that, I always think about it, and I'm like, no time. Like, I always feel like, say, my life is over, and then God just come in right on time. So just have faith, mind your business, drink your water, and your skin I go show it, I go glow. Okay, so that's my official glass skin game plan for 2025. No more guessing, just consistency and the right products. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another skincare update from me. And if you want more real-time skincare updates from me, follow me on TikTok at KadiNatalie and on Instagram at KadiNatalie, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.